Sonic, the heart of your system.
What is up, guys? This is Luke Hill for Kit Guru. Leo is behind the camera in case anybody asks, and we're here with Intel in the Intel Technology Open House. So on display there are a bunch of devices: Project Athena, we've seen 10th gen Ice Lake, 10th gen Comet Lake, memory, loads of cool technology on show. So we're going to show you some of this. Look at all of those threads. So clearly it's got the U on the end. Typically you'd expect compromise, but actually we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 cores, 12 threads. Perhaps a bit of a beast in this really slim form factor. So we're here with Natalie from MSI, and we're looking at this really eye-catching Prestige 14. So Natalie, do you want to tell us some more about this?
Yes, so this is one of our new models in the Prestige range. It's the Prestige 14. Now previously we would have called this the PS43, but we've gone through a new naming process for our Creator laptops. So we have the Prestige 14, Prestige 15, and then the Modern 14 and Modern 14. So Modern being more aimed at professionals and the Prestige is being aimed at creators. So this particular one is very, very small. So it has a 15.6 inch screen and the 14 inch chassis. It's very, very thin. It's charged by USB-C. It can have fantastic specs on there. So it has the 10th gen i7 and up to 1650 graphics. So either has UMA, MX250 or 1650 graphics from NVIDIA, which makes it a very powerful machine, but also very thin, very lightweight, and very powerful. I mean, it is so light that I can literally two-finger hold it.
And am I correct in saying this is a 180-degree hinge?
Yes, it is. So, for example, if you and I were on a train or across the business table, I can do this. I hit one button, and it basically turns around, so you can see exactly what I'm seeing, and 1 second later, it will switch back to me. It's absolutely seamless. So it's designed for collaboration, productivity, and of course creativity.
So this is actually the first 6-core Comet Lake that we've seen, so the first 6-core 10th gen that we've seen in this form factor. GTX 1650, 14-inch display, bit of a powerhouse for portable usage. 4K also, so you're not compromising on the screen. And I believe there's a Delta E of less than 2 and 100% Adobe RGB, is that correct?
Yes, and up to 100% sRGB too.
So a nice screen.